Here's what we're taking a look at today. The Earth Cab Pro, which is a soil system with the HID lighting. So we'll take a look at what we have here. Here's some information on the unit that we're looking at here. It talks about what comes in the chambers. We will have a picture of this listed on the website, which is in the link in the description. It shows all this information right here. And we're going to go ahead and take a look top to bottom of what comes in this Hideaway grow chamber. So we have 8 of these 2.5 gallon pots. So the top chamber here, which would be the flowering chamber, we would be able to fit, of course, as you can see here, 8 of these plants if you're going with the 2.5 gallon, or you could fit up to 32 plants if you're doing the mid size, which would be like a ½ gallon grow bag. The lower chamber, now the lower chamber down here, that would be good for up to 32 small plants or 72 clones or seedlings. That's just what you can fit down here in this lower chamber. For circulation on this grow box here, in the top chamber we have a 6-inch inline fan, which you can see over here. That's a 6-inch inline fan, and that's connected to our 20 pounds of charcoal on this carbon filter, which exhausts through the hood, so it's an air-cooled hood. And it also has 4-inch fan, and that here, this 4-inch fan, is a canopy fan. So this is going to go ahead and blow air right through here across on the canopy. So absolutely awesome grow box right here, and you can see we have holes down through here so that you can have airflow come up through the bottom. There are drip trays here as well, so you can see there's drip trays underneath the pots so you can have your runoff and everything. This is not just a storage down here. This is like a little seedling and veg section. So how cool would this be? You could run these T5s that come in with it. You can be vegging out clones, seedlings, all kinds of stuff in here. It's a completely separate grow chamber. And then up here is your flowering space. So you've got all this space down here just to veg in and everything. With the T5s, as you can see. And then as you come up here, boom, this is the flower chamber. So this particular hood can actually do metal halide or high pressure sodium. And you can just literally just swap out a new bulb. Now if we take a look here, we've got a measuring tape in here, because what I wanted to show you is this grow box is just big enough to where you can pack in that 600 watt HPS and have some awesome par readings, which is going to get us some really fat buds in here. So we'll take a look all the way down here at the 2-foot mark. Okay, you can see all the way down here at the 2-foot mark, we're at 265, right? Go ahead and bump it up to 18 inches. This is pretty close to that first layer of the scrog net. Look at that, we're at 435. And then we'll go ahead and be 12 inches. This is from the glass. 12 inches from the glass, 700. 750, right? Then, which is probably about as high as you would want to let your canopy get, you wouldn't want to let it get much closer than right about there, 9 inches from the glass. See, because right here at that 9-inch mark, we're right at that 1300 range, even the 10 inches, 1300. So 9-10 inches right about there, that's about as close as you'd want to get it to the light. So yeah, this light here, the 600 watt HPS, packs some serious punch into this grow box. Check out the description. We do have some links there, which will get you some additional information on the different grow boxes available. This is the Earth Cab Pro, the HID version. And you can see it does have the diamond plated insulation, which is nice. And this is the 2-chamber unit, which is really cool.